Hello everyone, today's video topic is to understand what manual machining is and what is the difference between it and CNC machining. Next, let's step into the video and explore. What is handmade processing? Manual processing represents the traditional method of removing materials and forming shapes, which depends on the professional knowledge of the mechanic operating manual tools and equipment. Unlike computer numerical control, CNC machining that follows pre-programmed instructions in automation systems, manual machining requires direct and manual control of cutting tools to machine raw materials into precise components. What processes and technologies are involved in manual processing? Engaging in manual processing requires the use of traditional tools and equipment to shape raw materials into precision components, which relies on the practical skills of mechanics. The inherent basic processes and techniques of manual processing. Material selection. Reading technical drawings. The mechanic first explains the technical drawings that outline the final product specifications and dimensions. Tool selection. The mechanic selects the appropriate cutting tool based on the material and the required operation. Common manual machining tools include lathes, milling machines, drills, grinders, and manual tools. Workpiece settings. Firmly install the workpiece on the machine. Processing operations. Turning, milling, drilling, grinding. Measurement and inspection. Adjustment and iteration. Manual processing requires continuous adjustment based on the observation and measurement of the mechanic. Once the main processing operation is completed, the mechanic can perform additional finishing work such as deburring, polishing, or coating. What are the types of manual machine tools? Lathe. A lathe is used for turning, end-face turning, and boring cylindrical workpieces. Using cutting tools to form workpieces. Process, turning, end-face, drilling, reaming, and rolling. Milling machine. The milling machine uses rotating cutting tools to remove materials from the workpiece, resulting in a flat or complex contour surface. Process, face milling, end milling, groove milling, drilling, and other complex machining. Drilling machine. A drilling machine is used to drill holes on workpieces. They consist of a rotating spindle and a fixed workbench. Process, drilling, tapping, and spot milling. Boring and milling machine. It is used when expanding existing holes or carefully machining precise cylindrical cavities. Tapping machine. The tapping machine automatically executes the process of creating threads on the workpiece. What are the advantages and limitations of manual processing? Let's first talk about the advantages of manual processing. Manual technology enables mechanics to quickly adapt to different materials, shapes, and project requirements. With its professional knowledge, it can proficiently manage various tasks without the need for complex programming. Compared to CNC machine tools, manual machine tools usually have a faster setup time. The limitations of manual processing. Limited accuracy. For manual machining, consistently achieving extremely strict tolerances can be challenging. Dependence on operator skills, unsuitability for mass production, lack of automation functions, thereby reducing work efficiency. In the manufacturing industry, manual processing is the cornerstone of a rich history and enduring tradition. In industries that prioritize precision craftsmanship, adaptability, and the practical mastery of skilled professionals, it remains a crucial participant. If you also like our videos, you can like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.